Hello again and a warm welcome to Lanson Medical Services. I'm delighted today to be joined by Lois from Lanson. Morning, Lois.
Morning.
Okay, so you've got this bruising, you've got this swelling, you've got the garment on. So obviously you're going to need really good aftercare, aren't you? You're going to want to be able to see the doctor and have that contact. How does that work at Lanson?
Well, here at Lanson we have our own dedicated patient care team as well, who are always at hand to answer any questions after the surgery.
That's good.
You will also have me, patient coordinator. You'll have direct contact for me if you need to speak to us about anything after the procedure.
Right.
We're here to help. And also, aftercare appointments with the surgeon and also the nurse to check afterwards, that everything's as it should be.
All right, good. So Lanson follow their patients through after the operation, so you've got that contact and you've got that support there, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. It's very important that you have the support there after you've had a procedure such as the BBL.
Because it is quite a big operation, isn't it? You've got the two operations in one. You've got that liposuction going on to do the body contouring, and then you've got this transfer of the fat to the buttocks. So it's quite a big procedure, isn't it?
Yeah, and afterwards, you may have some questions or you may feel a little bit sore, and it's just nice to know that, you have us here on the other end of the phone to give you that reassurance, to let you know that's okay.
And I suppose, we hear stories of patients going abroad for these procedures, principally because in some countries it's a lot cheaper than to have in the UK. But obviously when you go abroad and you come back to the UK, you're not going to have that same level of support, are you?
No, you probably, you may have to wait for them to get back to you, or, if there's a time difference, you'll have to also take that into consideration when speaking to them, and maybe even having face-to-face appointments. You're not going to just be able to, bob to the clinic to go and have a face-to-face and meet them after the surgery, because you'll have to get on a flight and go abroad.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? If you have a complication or there's a problem, you have to get on a plane and go back to the host country where you had the operation. That's going to be difficult, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Especially after having a procedure such as a BBL, where afterwards we advise, for maybe the first week to not sit on your bottom for too long at a time. If there was a complication after you'd had the procedure done, getting on a plane wouldn't really be something that you may be comfortable with doing.
No, of course. So I suppose the advice is if you're going to have a Brazilian butt lift done, is to have it in the UK, choose a clinic and a surgeon who have got experience in this procedure, that are working from, registered private hospitals in the UK, and get it done properly. That's all from us today. Thanks for watching Lanson, and we'll see you next time.